In this video, we are going to use in as well as between with the where clause. So for that, let's try to fetch the data where first name is Clara, Peter and Alana. So for that, we need to write down select whatever you want. If you just want first name and salary, then you can write down first name, comma, salary from table name. Table name is, in this case, we are currently working at the table employees. So table name I am giving employees, where clause, where first name, first underscore name. Remember, this is the field name we have given in the table while creation of the table. The same field name we are going to use over here in select statement. Now in is the new, new thing to learn in this video. In now we can give here text as well as numbers, character as well as numbers. So for that we need to know that which names we want to find. Sometimes employers tells you to do, to fetch the records for these particular employees. So Peter is there, and then here you can put the quotes. P should be capital, Peter, and then comma. One more time, you can write down another name if you want, Alana. So this statement we are going to write, and see, it has shown you the name Peter, 3 records for name Peter with different salaries. It means 3 persons with the same name are there, but that's why in our tables we used to have another column which is last name. So I'll change my query now. Here we can write it down that select first name, comma, last name. In our table we have given this option also, this another field name, then salary, to be more particular, from employees, where first name, in, now you can give the name whatever you want, Clara, and Clara, comma, second is Peter. Never forget the cases, whatever has been saved in your table, those cases we should use here. And the third name we can use if the requirement of our employer is Alana. So, or in your test, the query is this. So, name in Clara, Peter, and Alana, right? Now we are fetching the last name also. See the difference? Did you get it? Now Peter, 3 Peter are there, 3 different last names. It shows that 3 different people are there and they are fetching the different salaries. Now next we can give uh, this in statement. We can use in operator in the where clause, so with the numbers, right? So for that we can write select first name, whatever you want. If you want everything. Let's find out now another field, which is manager ID, because manager ID and employee name, first name, from table name, employees. So now where clause, where first employee ID, because now we are going to use text with in operator, right? Employee text is either salary also, or this employee ID, employee underscore ID in, and then bracket. And now employee ID, we should know which employee IDs are there. So we can give 100 comma 107, right? And also we can give 101, right? Because we know that these IDs are there. 107, and then comma, and then 100, and we can give 1, right? So hit enter. See, it's showing Stephen, Nina, and Diana. So with this, we are getting that Stephen is not having any manager, right? To be more sure, we can again give the statement select first name, comma, manager ID. You can also give last name here again, first name, or you can, to be more particular, manager ID, last name also you can give, right? Last underscore name, comma, manager underscore ID from employees where, just to know about Stephen, okay, where first name is first underscore name is Stephen. See, let's see. See, there are two Stephen, one with last name King, other with last name Markle. But Stephen with the last name King is not having any manager ID, but Stephen with the last name Markle is having manager ID 120, right? So to be more particular about your this query, you can also give that select first name, comma, last name, comma, manager ID. You can also give the whatever query is there, condition you are putting, you can give here that employee ID, right? Employee ID, so that output should be very clear. Where now you can give employee ID. Employee ID is in, sorry, in whatever employee ID we can give 101, comma 100, 100, comma 101, comma, and then we can give also 107. Okay, here we can see whatever there is any mistake in the statement, we can rectify that. From employees, enter. See, now it has shown that Stephen with the last name King is having employee ID this. Now see, we wanted that manager ID also. So you can add manager ID here, because to be more particular, that's why we gave this employee ID, manager ID, and hit enter. Now see, it has shown Stephen with the last name King, and his employee ID is 100, but Stephen is not having, this Stephen is not having any manager ID. Rest two are having. Clear? Thank you. Bye bye.